Hello my friends, we explored the Casa Mikoko restaurant. It's located in Al Quwain in one of the 7 states of United Arab Emirates.
Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to Casa Mikoko here at Al Quwain.
Okay, thank you so much kabayan. Kamusta ka naman dito?
Mabuti po, ma'am.
Ang ganda ng lugar. Very quiet.
Oo, ngayon nice but ngayon mainit.
Mainit po. Siguro sa winter itong ganda. This is Casa Mikoko. Actually nakita ko lang dito sa social media and then I'd like to explore it. The concept is very native and traditional. Food here is amazing, but actually it's a bit expensive, and the hotels also. But it's worth it because it's so quiet, fantastic. The food, especially the falafel. And if you want to find a place that is really peaceful, especially if you're a writer, I highly recommend this place. Mangroves. Okay. Akalain mo may mangroves din pala dito sa Dubai. Baka dumating na yung order. Ilang naman yung order at saka shawarma. Ilang afford ng kabayan. Actually, there is also a beach, and that's why I understand why some of my friends are really wanted to come here to do the fishing, because see, the fishes are so abundant.